We, the residents of the East Kazakh region of Kurchum district of Maralikha village, appeal to all international organizations with the request to protect the health of the population living in this area and the ecology of the region. A processing plant is currently being built on the headwaters of the Maralikha, Kurchum and Karaotkol rivers to process gold-bearing ores by heap leaching with sodium cyanide. This plant is being built on a hill near the settlement, less than 500 meters away. The climatic conditions in this area lead to unpredictable anomalous rainfall which causes mudslides. In such cases, there is a great danger that overburden will be washed into the adjacent rivers. The near-surface aquifers are susceptible to sodium cyanide contamination. Purest and currently rare drinking water rise in the vicinity. From these springs arise the rivers that belong to the Irtysh catchment area. The Irtysh River is of transboundary importance and flows into the Ob River and then further into the Arctic Ocean. 80% of the territory of the southern Altay, which belongs to Kazakhstan, is economically exploited by the users of the subsoil. Their commercial interest leads to destruction of the ecological balance, and it affects the health of the living population and the population of the endemic representatives of flora and fauna listed in the Red Book. The region is unique from the historical point of view, having archaeological monuments in the form of petroglyphs and tombs of ancient civilization. Mining organizations continue their activities and local authorities lobby and intimidate the population. We ask all international organizations for help and support in preserving the last corners of the unique territory of Kazakhstan and the whole world from the barbaric destruction. We urge the international organizations to conduct an independent environmental assessment. Thank you.